This video is not financial advice. I'm not a financial planner. I'm an entertainer. I'm going outside in my backyard. The one and only Apefather going outside in the backyard late at night, 3 o'clock in the morning. Wow! I keep hearing this weird sound, man. It's like it was gone for like 2 weeks. It's back. It's like some sort of an animal. Listen. Let's see if I could. How do I do this? Hold on a second. I'm hearing it again. Did she like talk? This is my wife. Sorry. Shh, listen to this. Wow, look at that moon. Do you hear that? Do you hear that? What the F is that? Woo! Woo! You get scared when I do that. Look at that moon, man. Wow. Did you hear it? Did you hear it? It might have just went silent. I noticed that when I get incoming calls, my videos go silent. Did you hear that? Ooh. Ooh. Wow. Try to communicate. Ooh. Ooh. He never replies to me. Ooh. Ooh. There it is. What is that? I'm gonna try to just communicate one last time. Listen. AMC to Pluto. AMC to Pluto. Ooh. Ooh. Man, I'm going inside. I'm getting freaked out. AMC to Pluto.